Welcome back to Cars Wars Pack, where we bring you the latest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the all-new Renault Clio 2025. This popular compact car from Renault has been revamped for 2025, and we're going to give you all the details you need. Whether you're a fan of city cars or just looking for something practical and stylish, the Clio might just be your next ride. Let's get started. First off, the 2025 Renault Clio continues its sleek and modern look. It's a car designed to stand out in the crowded subcompact market. The front grille is slightly more aggressive, featuring a bold new design that incorporates Renault's signature LED headlights. The car's body has a more sculpted, athletic feel, giving it a sportier profile. Whether in the vibrant colors like fire red or the more sophisticated metallic gray, the Clio is definitely eye-catching. The updated wheel designs and sharper creases along the body give it a more premium look. The rear sports a new, more angular bumper, and the revised taillights further enhance its dynamic appeal. Step inside, and you'll be impressed by the 2025 Clio's interior. Renault has focused on improving both comfort and technology. The dashboard now features a larger 10-inch digital infotainment screen that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The new Renault EasyLink system is smoother and faster, offering easy navigation and connectivity. For comfort, you get premium materials across the cabin, with leather options available on higher trims. The Clio now boasts better sound insulation, making your drive quieter and more refined. The redesigned seats offer more support, and rear passengers get more legroom compared to previous models, making it a more practical option for families. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The Renault Clio 2025 comes with a range of engine options, including traditional petrol and hybrid variants. For those who want a fuel-efficient city car, the Clio E-Tech Hybrid is a great choice. With a combined output of around 140 horsepower, it delivers smooth acceleration and impressive fuel economy. This hybrid setup is paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission, making the driving experience both efficient and enjoyable. For petrol lovers, the 1.0-liter turbocharged engine offers around 100 horsepower, delivering solid performance while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. If you're looking for something sportier, the Clio RS line variant brings a sportier suspension setup and sportier handling, giving you a more thrilling driving experience. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Clio does not disappoint. Renault has equipped this model with a host of advanced safety features, including lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. The Clio has also been awarded excellent ratings in crash tests, ensuring that you and your passengers are well protected. In terms of technology, the Clio 2025 features an advanced driver assistance package that includes traffic sign recognition, rear-view camera, and an optional 360-degree camera system for easier parking and maneuvering. The 2025 Renault Clio comes in several trims: Expression, Iconic, RS Line, and Initial Paris. The base model starts at a competitive price point, with the hybrid variant being priced a bit higher due to its advanced technology. If you're after a more luxurious feel, the Initial Paris trim offers leather upholstery, a premium sound system, and a panoramic sunroof, making it the top-of-the-line choice. Pricing for the 2025 Renault Clio starts at around a negation 16,000 for the base model, while the hybrid variant starts at a negation 20,000, making it a great value for those looking for efficiency and style. So, there you have it. The 2025 Renault Clio is a fantastic blend of style, technology, and practicality. Whether you're commuting through the city or heading on a road trip, the Clio offers everything you need in a compact car. With a range of engine options, advanced safety features, and an updated interior, This is one of the most competitive cars in its class. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Cars Wars Pack, and click the bell icon to stay updated on all things cars. Let us know in the comments, say would you consider the Renault Clio for your next ride? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more car reviews and news from the automotive world.